Hi everyone, welcome back to the course. In the last few videos, we covered variable and data types, the building blocks of JavaScript. Now it's time to learn how to actually do something with those variables, and that's why the operators comes in. In this video, we are going to explore three essential types of operator: arithmetic operator, assignment operator, and comparison operator. Those are the tools you will use every single day as a JavaScript developer. So let's dive in. First is our arithmetic operator. But before I moving to this topic, I actually want to tell you something. I noticed my video length was 20 minutes longer. So because I wrote every single line of code when I recorded this video, right? So I want to prepare some example in advance so that it take less time. Okay. Okay. Let's start with the arithmetic operator first. These are operator you use to perform the mathematical calculation. Just like in a math you learn in school. In the math you learn in school. JavaScript gives us several arithmetic operator. Let me show you something. Some operator. Okay. Those are the operator. Okay. These four are straightforward: plus, minus, modular or multiplication, and the division. But JavaScript has two more arithmetic operators that are super useful. First, we have a modulus operator or percentage, which give you the remainder of the division. Okay, and this is the. This is actually incredibly useful for checking if a number is an even or odd, or for tasks like cycling through array indices. Next is the exponentiation operator or double asterisk, which raises a number to a power. Okay, and those are the asterisk operator. These two asterisk 3. It means the to the power of 3, and this is the 5 squared, and the answer will be this equation. Okay, one important thing to reminder: operator precedency matter. Okay, multiplication and the division happen before the addition and the subtraction, just like the regular math. So you can use the parentheses to control the order, and this is you can follow this order also, and this is valid. Okay, 11, right? And multiplication first, then plus, and this is the parenthesis first. Okay. Okay, we are moving to our next operator, and this is the assignment operator. You already seen the basic one, the equal sign. It assign a value to a variable, right? This equal. Okay, this is the assignment operator. Okay, but JavaScript has a shortened assignment operator that make your code cleaner and faster to write. These combine an arithmetic operator with the assignment. Let me show you. Okay. Okay. Comment this. So it would be great to understand and focus the new line. These compound assignment operator are everywhere in real code. They save your time and make your intent clear. You notice plus equal 5. Maybe the last video I already given an example, right? Same as num plus 5. Okay, this is the equal, and this answer will be 15 because num is 10 and this num is 5, so 15. Okay, we also have some increment and decrement operator, which are a special shortcut for adding or subtracting one. Okay, let me show you. Okay, before showing you, comment it. Okay, counter. This is counter plus plus. This counter plus plus means counter plus 1. I mean increment. And this is the decrement. Okay. So now there is something important. These operator can be a prefix or postfix. And they behave differently based on this prefix or postfix. Okay. So what it means, the let a equal 5, then a plus plus, which means this is a postfix. Remember, this is a postfix and this is a prefix. The value is used first, then increment. With the prefix, it's increment first, then used. Right? Did you see the print 5, then increment to 6, and increment to 6, then print 6? Because this is a prefix and it's increment first, then used. This distinction is crucial when you are using this operator inside the expression. Remember it. Remember this line. Okay, comment this. Okay, now moving to our next topic is comparison operator. Finally, let's look this comparison operator, and comparison you already know. This equal actually one of them. This operator compare two value and return a boolean, either a true or false. You will use this constantly when writing conditional logic. Here is here is the main comparison operator. Let x equal 10, let y equal 15. Okay, so x greater than y, x less than y, x greater than or equal y, I mean sorry 10, or less than or equal 5, less than or equal 5, and the answer is this. The first answer will be true, second is false, third is true, fourth is true. Now for checking the equality, JavaScript has two more different equality operators, and this is a super important to understand. Okay, really important, this operator. You are using those operator every times when you are implementing or try to comparing, and those are this: 2 equal or 3 equal. Okay, I mean this double equal perform a type coercion. It convert the value to the same type before comparing. So the number 5 and the string 5 are considered equal, and the triple equal is strict equals. It check both the value and the type. So the number 5 and the string 5 are not equal because they are different types, right? So here is the things. Try to remember. This will be best practice. Almost always use strict operator. I mean sorry, strict equality. Strict equality, and okay, this is the strict inequality. It prevent weird bugs caused by unexpected type coercion. Remember this, okay? We are most of the time using this and this. Here is the some real world example where this matters. 0 equal false, 0 triple equal false, I mean string equal false, or string equal false, or string equal false. Different types, right? This is the coercion and this is the different types. Try to always ask yourself, do I want to check this type too? In most case, the answer is yes. So use strict operator. Okay, strict types actually. This equality, strict equality. Okay, comment this. I hope you understood what I mean by that, and I also comment it. So if you are forget the word what I say, you can come here and check this video again, and it would be very helpful. Try to pause the video and write the code in yourself and do practice mode. Let me show you some. Let me show you how does the operator work together in the practical scenario. In the real world example, suppose price equal 100, discount 20, tax rate is 0.1, or you can call it 10%, maybe. You can call it 10%, okay? Just think 0.1, okay? 0.10 or 0.1, okay? The calculate discount price will be price minus discount, right? Price minus discount, then apply the tax. The final price after tax will be discount price plus discounted price into tax rate. We know when the parenthesis comes up, at first we are doing the math here, then sum this value, summation this value, right? So the answer will be 88. Check if the eligible for free shipping is free shipping the final price greater than or equal 50, then we are shipping this will be a return true. That means this we can send it as a free delivery. So it would be a 50. It's return a true because our answer, our result is 88, or the final price is 88. Okay, do practice, please. Maybe you are thinking what comes up, but I already show you this concept, how to compare, how to calculate here, right? In here, right? Did you see every line of code? Please don't skip. Try to do it in yourself, just not copy and post. Okay, you see there is also a commented. So what is the name? This is addition, this is subtraction, this is the multiplication, this is division. Okay, so I hope you remember this. Okay, comment it. Actually, this see how we combine the arithmetic operator and arithmetic operator for the calculation and the comparison operator for conditional logic here, right? This is the kind of code you will write all the time. Always remember this. Okay, now all right. That's operator in JavaScript we covered. Number one is arithmetic operator for mathematical calculation, assignment operator for updating variable efficiently, and comparison operator for comparing the value and making decision. Okay, remember always use the strict equality unless you have a specific reason not to. Okay, and pay attention to operator precedency. parentheses are your friend. Always remember. In this next video, we are going to talk about the statement in JavaScript, expressions, blocks, and the role of semicolons. Those concepts will help you to stick to your code properly. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and the subscribe for more JavaScript content. Drop any questions in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.